Hello everyone, welcome to Vizotech. In our last video we discussed problems based on clocks, and in this video we will solve some more problems based on the same concept. So let's begin with the problem number 6. A boy saw the clock when it is 5 a.m. So in the morning he saw the clock loses 8 minutes in half day. What will be true time when he sees the clock at 10 p.m. on the fourth day? So in order to solve that, you have different options as well. So here the key is the clock is losing 8 minutes in half day. Half day in the sense it's nothing but 12 hours. So let's look at the solution, which is a easy thing here. So time from 5 a.m. on a day to 10 p.m. on fourth day. So that's what you need to calculate. So how to calculate and how it's 89 hours, I'll just give you a calculation here. So the first day it's already 5 a.m. So it has lost 5 hours. So from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. you have lost 5 hours. So remaining 19 hours. And then second day 24 hours. Third day 24 hours. And on the fourth day it's 10 p.m. on the fourth day. So there is still 2 hours remaining. So it should be 22. So if you add all of them, 89 hours you'll get. And if you do this, you're half done with the problem. And next, you know that for every 12 hours, the clock is losing 8 minutes. So how much will it lose for 89 hours? So simple mathematics, cross multiplication, 89 into 8 by 12. Or you can just make this as, for making calculation easier, 90 into 8. So then you will have 720. 720 will go by 12 exactly in 60. So this will come as 59.33. You can just approximate it to 16 minutes because there is no ratios or points given in options. So your right answer will be 1 hour. It was supposed to be forward, but it's being backward. So when the boy sees the time as 11 p.m., when the boy sees the time as 10 p.m., it should actually be showing 11 p.m. So by losing 8 minutes in half day, the watch has gained, or the watch has lost this much amount of time. So your right answer option will be, it was supposed to be 11 p.m. but showing 10 p.m. So this is where you need to be careful while selecting the options. I hope you are clear with this, and we'll go on to the next problem. A clock is started at 12 p.m. By 600 seconds past 5 p.m. the hour hand turned through. So by what angle it has turned? So to make it clear, you can look at option. So this is a very simple problem to solve. I told you whenever you have timings, you have to imagine a clock. So it was in 12 and it's been in 5 past 600 seconds, in the sense 600 seconds is nothing but 10 minutes. So 600 seconds by 60, it will give you 10 minutes. So a clock was at 12 at 5:10. By what angle the hour hand has turned? You know that for every hour there is a part of 30 degree. And why? Because the whole clock is 360 degree, and for every one part it means 30 degree. So 5 into 3, 150 you have, but along with this 150 you need for another 10 minutes. So for this I told you in the last video itself that for 1 minute the hour hand will take a degree move of half. So 1 minute half degree. So for 10 minutes it will be 5 degrees. So 150 plus 5 will give you 155. So that's been given in solution. The total angle traced by the hour hand is the angle traced in 5 hours 10 minutes. So you know that the angle traced by the hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degree and in 1 minute is half degree. So by adding all of them you'll get 155 degree is the angle traced by an hour hand. So which will give you the right answer option, 155 degree, option C. Let's move on to next question. Question number 8. At what time between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock will both the hour hand and minute hand coincide each other? So you have different options for this. It can definitely not be 3:30 because you know that between 3 and 4 it will coincide somewhere close to 3:15. So option A is right away eliminated. So anyways, let's go with solutions and C. Coincide means zero angle, and for this, in order to solve this, I have given you a formula. So what is that? Theta is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. The angle is 0 because they are coinciding. The angle should be 0. 11 by 2 minutes, we don't know at what minutes they are coinciding, and 30 is a constant in the formula, and 3, it will be coinciding near 3, so it will not coincide 3 past 30. So we have substituted 3 in the R. So now go on with the calculation. So 2 will be eliminated. 11m is equal to 30 into 2, and then it will be m is equal to 180 by 11. And now what you need to do, you just have to divide this. So 11 will go in ones, and then in 6 4 remaining, 16 4 by 11. So it will be 180 by 11. 11 will go in 1 7 remaining, so 70 will go, 66 4 remaining, so 16 4 by 11. So this 16 4 by 11 is 3 past 16 4 by 11. So the total time will be 3 hours 16 minutes and 4 by 11. That will give you the right answer option, option B. So that is it is. So now let's move on to next problem. A clock gains 15 minutes per day. It is set right at 12 noon. What time will it show at 4 a.m. the next day? So the next day, what time will the clock show if it's gaining 15 minutes per day? So an easy one. So let's look at the solution. The clock gains 15 minutes in 24 hours, and the clock is set at 12 and next day 4. So that will give you 16 hours. So I told you, that's why I told you from 12 to 4 how many hours calculate. So 12 plus 4 16. And now how I am telling this is 10 minutes, in the sense this 16 hours is 2 by 3rd of 24. So if you take 24, 16. So 16 is 2 by 3rd parts of 24. How? 8 plus 8 plus 8. So then 24. So 2 by 3rd part of this. So 2 by 3rd part of 15 similarly will be 10 minutes. So the clock will show 4 hour 10 minutes when it is gaining the time. So your answer will be 4 hour 10 minutes. And now let's move on to the last one. At what time between 9 and 10 o'clock will the hands of a watch be together? So again, we have to find out the timings. So they have given different minutes, and we had solved this in the last video itself. Anyways, I'll be just taking you through the same thing. To be together between 9 and 10, the minute hand has to gain 45 minute spaces, because nearly somewhere around 9:45 they will be together. So next, but we know that for 1 hour it will gain 55 minute spaces are gained in 60 minutes. So for 60 minutes only 55 minutes spaces are being gained, but we need it for 45 minute spaces. So very simple, 55 minute spaces are gained in 60 minutes. So how many 45 minute spaces will be gained in how many minutes? So again, cross multiplication, 60 by 55 into 45. So this will go in 11, this will go in 12. 12 by 11 into 45. And then you can again divide this and simplify, giving you 49 1 by 11 minutes. So when you multiply both of them, then you will get a number divided by 11, and then you will have the answer. So therefore the hands are together at 49 minutes, 49 1 by 11 minutes past 9. That's the time where both of the hands will be together. So that will give you the right answer option, option C. So with this, we will be ending this video. Thank you so much for watching.